What's up to Marcus TV, and I'm up with another one, and y'all already know what time it is, man. I'm finna get out here in this range. I'm finna have some fun today. And I wanna thank everybody that's been tapping in on them comments, liking and subscribing to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we're doing a giveaway at 1,500 subs. We almost there. And this channel, we going up. We going up, man. We at the range, and we finna get it out here and let the AKs go. I've been bringing out one AK when I could have brought out more, and I think my baby AK been getting a little jealous, so I gotta bring him out today. So stay tuned to the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna get back with y'all after I get set up. All right, y'all, we back.
Yeah, we're about ready.
Finna confirm 0 at 25 yards. Make sure my 0's still holding, and then we're gonna stretch it out to 50, and then we're gonna shoot it out to 100. Let me scoot y'all back some.
Get back on target. Ready? Get it on the target and squeeze the trigger. Yeah, but it's not bad. It didn't hurt, did it?
We're gonna do like 3 shot groups to see where I'm at, and I'm thinking that like what the last time I left off, I needed to come down. So let me check and see where we at.
It's a little high. Look through the binoculars, you can see. There's 2 holes just to the right of that orange dot. You see it? 2 holes just to the right. One was mine, one was yours. See them? How's your ears? They okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Hold the button.
All right, y'all. I think we still about 3-4 clicks. We need to come down. But I want y'all to look at that. I'm finna zoom y'all out there. All right, it's that black target, not the orange one. All right, y'all see? There's 3 shots. I need to come down some. So I'm finna bring that down a couple clicks, and then we're gonna walk it out to 50.
Get it back on target. It's on target. I've got a copy for it. Get it, put it on the scope in the middle, and squeeze the trigger. Don't jerk it.
We're gonna try that right there, and we're gonna see where we at right there. Like we need to come down and to your left. So we're gonna go.
And hold the buttstock up.
We're gonna try that right there.
Fast down there. We gotta get the fill under here. Don't pull the trigger till you're aim. Okay. Don't jerk it, squeeze it.
I think we about there, y'all. What y'all think? Let's look it out there. Let's get out there and see. What y'all think? What y'all think? Let me get it right. Let me get it y'all on there. Like we just need to come over a couple clicks. Yeah, come over a couple clicks.
How's that feeling? Does that hurt or comfortable? But not too bad. And tighter you get it, the less it hits you. Look at it this way here. If I have my fist and I push against you, resist it. Okay. Now let me get a little bit away. Like my fist is just a little bit away. See how that hurts a little more? Because it gets run and hits you. If you have that stock in your shoulder, when it goes off, it pushes.
Alright, we came over,
away,
so we could have checked that. Let's see what we hitting at.
Can I go down for a second?
Oh yeah. We can come over some more, but it look good. We finna go down there and cover them holes up. And keep it rocking, y'all. Y'all, finna see what we at.
I'm gonna shoot the rifle for a second. And then take the
Alright, we hot.
We're good.
Let's see where we at, y'all. I'm about where I want to be. Finna put a target out at the 50. Finna put me a target out at the 50 and walk it out to the 50. And see what we hitting that on the 50. And then I'm bring out little brother AK. I know that one's zeroed in. That one should be zeroed in real good. I can go down range or y'all finna shoot? I need to put this.
Go down.
Alright, finna go down the range, y'all. That's the 50 right there. That's 25, 50 one right there.
Go under the table and get those 2 pieces of brass. Come on this side. Over here. I can get them. Go under the table, please. Stay down it. See the 2 pieces of pistol brass? No, the yellow one. There's one more down there just like that. There you go. Thank you.
Alright, we walking it out the 50, y'all. Let me zoom y'all down there some. Y'all see. 1 minute. If I can get come on, focus, focus. Get you to focus. Adjust the camera a little bit, y'all. My fault, y'all. I'm trying to get the camera right for y'all. See where I'm hitting at. Trying to get it right for y'all. If I can. Now come over right there. Alright, y'all, that's the target we finna be hitting at. I'ma hold dead center, y'all. That was dead center. 3 shots. See what we hitting at, y'all. Alright, y'all see that? We high. We high, so I need to come down a lot. Alright, I cranked it down. So we finna see what we hitting at now. I'm holding dead center. Oh, I moved on that one, y'all. Alright, that mag out. Alright, we on safe. What we hitting at, y'all? Well, we hit. Okay. I'm gonna go cover them. I think I came down too much. But once I get excited in there, I'm leaving at the 50, y'all. What y'all think? This the ammunition we shooting too. I got it zoomed. I have to show y'all the ammunition, but I'm finna go down range after the rain go cold, and I'm finna set that back out, and we finna ring some steel. You hot?
Put the target together, son. And then go down here. Hey, let's put a target together. Oh, it's warm. Go with that gentleman's staff.
Yep, we about got us sighted in on the 50, y'all. Time to hit that steel. Let the range cool off. We got them down there. They setting up their targets and stuff. Oh, I'm dropping targets. So far, so good with the Tech. Yeah, he out there, he training his grandson how to shoot, starting him early, man. That's how it's supposed to be, man. Start them early. But once they clear the range, you know, we finna go on confirm 0 at 50, and we finna ring steel. I'm gonna get back with y'all after we confirm 0. I will be back with y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we back. We finna go hit some steel. Let's look for some steel. What's that? Over there, 100? That one over there like 100 yards right there.
Water in the truck.
And like 100. Let's walk it out to 100. Oh yeah, I'm hitting steel. I'm hitting steel. I'm hitting steel. Now let's finna bring the baby out. We walked it out to 100, hitting steel with the medium little brother. Called the medium brother. Let's put her down, y'all. Finna put her down, y'all. This is Sylvia Dorn. Finna put that down and bring the little brother out.
Feel the barrel.
Bring the little brother out, y'all.
It's time we let it cool down a little bit.
Gonna bring the little brother out, y'all.
Just like that.
Let's get the little brother out, y'all. Alright.
Down in your shoulder like you're shooting.
Alright, y'all, we finna put the little brother out there at 100. Cause I already tested him. I'm just confirming 0. Basically with him. He should be hitting at 100 like it ain't nothing. Cause off camera I be playing with that one. I play with that one. So let's see how she hitting out there.
Close the handle.
Going hot.
Cock it again. Yeah.
Gotta load up some more, y'all. Y'all see we ringing still. Get her out there, y'all. I think I'm hitting in the center, y'all. What y'all see is hitting that on that steel? I think I'm hitting center mass on that steel. What y'all think? Let me look through the camera. Yeah, it look like I'm hitting center mass. But I want to play some more, y'all. Let's play some more. Let's walk it down to 200. Yeah, let's walk her down to 200, y'all. I'm gonna see if little brother and medium brother can stretch out the 200. Let me get it zoomed in. 200. I need to pick the camera up, y'all. Camera need to be about right there. Let me zoom it out. My fault, y'all. I'm trying to get it. Drop it down a little bit. That's the 300, y'all. 200. Alright, let me grab a rifle. Alright, y'all, we finna see what we hitting at 200. I know she'll do it. I know she'll do it. Oh, y'all still on the targets? No, y'all not. Where the camera went? 3, 200. Alright, this gonna be a challenge with the AK. Alright, y'all. Where are we at? Oh, we hitting steel, y'all. Y'all see that swinging, boy? To Marcus TV. Y'all see that steel swinging, boy? Let's bring it in, y'all. Y'all see that? It's 200 yards out there. 200 yards. Let's bring it in. It's 200 yards. Yeah. Y'all see what I'm doing it with? Look at this. Look at this boy. Talk to me. I came out here, y'all watching the videos. I came out here. I sighted it in at 25. I rushed that day. Y'all see that big boy noise got on to me. Came out here, took my time today. And she doing it. She performed. She performed real good. Now I'm finna finish decking her out. Finna go and finish dressing her out now. We good. Stay tuned to Marcus TV. And we out, y'all. We'll be back with another one. Stay tuned.